Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Log in with an administrator account so you have permission to export keys. Once signed in, press Win+R, type Regedit and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Before exporting anything, make sure to create a system restore point. This gives you a safety net if something goes wrong. You're doing this to capture the current state. The export alone is not a full system rollback. Next, navigate to the key you need to back up. Now export the key you selected by navigating to HKey Local Machine or HKey Current User, where most changes live. Right-click the exact key or folder, choose Export, pick a reg file type, and give it a descriptive name that includes the date. Save the file to an external drive or cloud storage so it survives local failures. Make sure the export completed without errors. A 0-byte file means failure. Once saved, verify the file size. For a full registry snapshot, select Computer at the top of Registry Editor and choose Export. This creates a complete reg file. Expect a larger file size. Once exported, verify integrity by checking file size and opening it in Notepad. Don't edit it. Store multiple dated copies on separate media. If later an import fails or breaks the system, use System Restore first. If that's unavailable, import the specific reg file for the affected key. One key troubleshooting tip: if double-clicking a reg file does nothing, right-click and choose Merge with Admin Rights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.